Hi trading fam, this is byebyemoney. And there are two main reasons why scalping is so appealing. First, you can scalp in any market. A bull or bear market, it does not matter. Scalpers do not care if the market is in a bubble or in a crash. Scalpers simply look for their setup in any market. Second, scalps are quick. Scalpers are in and out of trades typically within seconds to minutes. And it is possible you can finish your trading for the entire day after just one scalp taking a couple seconds. The question is though, what is the best scalping strategy? And hopefully this video can answer that question. The simplest and highest probability scalping strategy is a two-legged pullback. There are three checks for this setup. First, is it a two-legged pullback? Second, is it finding support at the 20 EMA? And third, is it a good signal bar? In most cases, with these three criteria alone, there is greater than an 80% chance probability to make 1 point. And in some cases, with good context, it is greater than a 90% chance to make 1 point. The first criteria is to identify a two-legged pullback. A two-legged pullback is a pattern that looks like this. It is a pullback that has one leg down, one leg up, and then another leg down. It essentially tries to make two attempts down. We look for this pattern because we know that the market likes to move in twos. This is because traders and institutions feel more confident entering a trade after the market tries to make two attempts at something. Here in the chart, we see a two-legged pullback. The second criteria is that the market should be using the 20 EMA as support. Many traders typically wait at the 20 EMA to enter into a trade. It oftentimes acts as support or resistance. Here, we see that the two-legged pullback occurs on the 20 EMA. The third and last criteria is we wait for a good signal bar. We want the signal bar to be bullish. And here we see we have a bullish signal bar. In this setup, we have all three criteria being met. In this particular setup, we have a greater than 90% chance to make a point. That's because this is coming off a strong bull trend, providing us good context. Now that all three criteria are met, we'll move on to how to enter the trade. Once all three criteria are met, we place our stop entry one tick above the signal bar. Once the next candle breaks the signal bar's high, we set a sell limit 1 point above the entry. Your stop loss should be placed one tick below the pivot low. Once your scalp is filled, move your stop order one tick above your entry and make sure to have a runner. There you have it, the simplest scalping strategy, the two-legged pullback coming off the 20 EMA.